Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials and launching recovery. First, back up your personal files to an external drive or cloud. You won't proceed without that. Once done, insert your Windows 8 recovery USB or DVD and reboot. Press the boot key to load it. Make sure to have your product key and account credentials handy because the process may ask you to reactivate. This step prevents data loss and lets you move directly into repair tools without delays. You'll now run built-in repair utilities to fix boot and file issues. From Advanced Startup, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Try Automatic Repair first to address startup faults automatically. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store corruption. Once those complete, use System Restore to return to. You finish by choosing a recovery endpoint. Refresh keeps files while reinstalling system files. Reset removes apps and settings or everything if needed. If Reset won't start, perform a clean install from your media, formatting C, to ensure a fresh environment. After reinstall drivers and run Windows Update. If activation or hardware issues appear, double-check BIOS/UEFI settings, reapply correct product key, and update drivers from the manufacturer. If boot or activation still fail, contact support with error codes for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.